Yo, what is good everybody? It is Sam from Antidote Audio and I've been working relentlessly towards a brand new Serum 2 preset pack that is dedicated to nothing but bass. Yes, just bass. The result is over 150 brand new, built from the ground up Serum 2 presets. They're not Serum 1 presets, repurposed by the way. Brand new Serum 2 presets, instant inspiration and instant pro sounds. Let's dive into some of the presets found in my brand new pack, Radium. Let's go. So sick. Anyways, as you can see with Radium, there is so many presets. So these presets are designed to have maximum impact right from the get-go, straight out of the box. Hit one note, and the sound is full, explosive, just wide. As you can see, there's no audio effects after this preset. And this is in a group as well. Nothing on here, just good old sidechain and a filter when it sweeps up into. That's it. No external saturators, no external fatness of any kind. Like, this is meant to be a jump up preset, but it works insanely well at 145 too. Cheeky little trap. I think that's got to be one of my favorite presets from this pack. Oh, this is a banger as well. Literally one note and it's just... So I really wanted to design these basses just instant inspiration. And you're thinking, why just bass? We all love bass. I don't know about you guys, but I get so inspired whenever I hear just a brand new bass sound. I'm like, oh, I can do this with it and this. And if I tweak it this way, it could sound like this. I don't know. Basses just get me going. So yeah, that's why I made Radium just packed full of basses. Yo. Anyway, cranking some DMB. You ready for the foghorns? That is nutty. Very Noisier-esque, if I do say so myself. Sounds like it's just chomping at you. Love that. Over 150 bass presets. And if you're asking yourself right now, what is like FG, FR, GR, JU? What does that mean? It's kind of a keyword for all the different little bass sounds within this pack. FG, foghorns. FR, frog sounds. GR, growls. JU, jump up. Miscellaneous, quite easy that one. RD, rhythm. RH, rhythm, which is not quite wobs, but like syncopated sounds. RS, respaces. Sub as in sub bass. TH, thump sounds. TN, tone sounds. And wub, wub. Who doesn't love a good wub? Right, I'm gonna mute the current basses and then just chuck some random over this. It's easy. It's too easy. New bass. Oh, the possibility. How do I do this? There's so many presets to just preview. Alright, we'll have to speedrun a few things. It's just like, oh, we'll just pick a random one and this one. And you can hear them with the clip as well, just... And to sweeten the deal with Radium, there's a bonus as well. Well, there's actually 2 bonuses. Okay, 3. Okay, 4. There's 4 bonuses along with Radium. And since this pack revolves around Serum, thrown in some wavetables as well. Quite a few wavetables actually, for you to get started to build your own bass presets as well. There's a wide variety of wavetables here. Some of them are actually really clean. And some of them are just absolutely disgusting. There's a real diverse range of wavetables in this one. And the second one is MIDI bass loop. I wanted to give you all the bass sounds with context. So each one of these bass presets has like a full MIDI bass loop, which are loaded inside the clips. And they're also drag and drop MIDI loops, so you can just drag them into your Ableton session, FL session, Logic session, whatever. You don't just have to use them inside of Serum. But like I said, the cool thing is they are loaded into all of the Serum presets, so you can get inspiration and suggestions on how to use the macros with these presets. And also the loops from the MIDI are rendered out into WAV files as well. So and the beauty of Serum 2, along with a bunch of different effects modules, you can double, triple, quadruple stack as many times as you want the same effect module. So I can have 10 distortions on this bass if I want. So this has unlocked so much freedom and creativity within effects chains inside of Serum. A Radium bonus is a bunch of effects chains as well. Basses, drums, lo-fi sounds, space effects, like a bit of reverb and delay, but in a really good order. Serum 2 effects is like a standalone VST as well. So you can literally just drag and drop the effects version on and head into effects. Chuck a bus on it. This is gonna sound great for synths, and then bada bing, bada boom, there it is. And the fourth and final bonus with Radium is this gigantic project file rendered into stem drop kits to little folders for you to use in your own track. For example, first drop here, full mix. Of course, just the Serum presets. And of course, we've got the drums as a loop as well. We've got the effects in the background, and we have the Serum presets that we use to build up this drop in WAV form. Along with the MIDI from this project file. So you can pretty much reconstruct these drops and get super detailed inside your own DAW, whether that be Ableton or FL or Logic, Cubase, whatever. And that is the utter hecticness that comes with Radium and its 4 bonuses. So if you want to get your hands on that, link in the description, link in the comments. I really wanted this one to absolutely just be jam-packed full of bass inspiration, and I think I've achieved that. I'm Sam from Antidote Audio, and hopefully you enjoy all this absolutely monstrous bass.